Hi automotive parts purchasing managers, please look over here. Isn't this automotive components I'm holding so beautiful? And it is made by our silicon mold processing. The surface has been treated with glossy oil spray, giving it a very beautiful effect, and which can enhance the corrosion resistance and wear resistance. Most importantly, our delivery time is also very fast. Generally, for parts like this, dozens of sets can be delivered in just a few days. So if you are interested in this kind of technology, then please leave your comments in the comment section.